Hi everyone, this is an introduction to parametric equations and graphs. Basically, parametric equations are equations to express the relationship between an x and y in terms of a third variable called a parameter. Usually we use t for the third parameter. Alright? We say, not we weigh, we say that the two equations form a set of parametric equations, okay? Each value of t determines a point in the xy plane, and the graph of the parametric equations is the set of all points in the plane, where t takes on all possible numbers. So basically that just means t takes all possible real numbers. Alright, so here's an example. A parametric equation of a line is right here. X equals x sub 1 plus at, and y sub 1 equals bt. Now if a equals 0, the line's vertical, and if b equals 0, the line's horizontal. So let's look at the example here. We want to find a parametric equation, namely we want to find equations like this of the line passing through the point -2, 5 and 4, 8. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and find the slope and trace the movement of the line by finding the slope. And we're going to let this first point be our x sub 1, y sub 1. So when you find your slope, it's going to be 8 minus 5 over 4 minus a -2. Alright, and this equals 3/6, which equals 1/2. And this is going to be our b over a. So this is the part you need to know, b over a. It was like, remember with your slope, it's y over x. So if you look over here, b goes with your y, and a goes with your x. So let's look at the graph here a little bit. Your b is the vertical part, and your a is the horizontal. Now I already kind of plotted these points, so I wouldn't waste time here. So this point here was your -2, 5, and this point here was your 4, 8. And then you can draw a line through there. Right there is your line. Okay. A indicates the horizontal movement. So let's put A, let's move A up a little bit. So A is your horizontal movement, and B, I'm just going to erase this whole thing. B is your horizontal vertical movement. So basically our B was 1 and our A was 2. So we had our M is 3/6 equals 1/2. So basically, let's write the parametric equations. We remember it was x equals x sub 1 plus at, and y equals y sub 1 plus bt. Now, also remember I let my x sub 1 and my y sub 1 be this point. It doesn't matter which one, but I'm going to let it be that point. So it's going to be -2, 5. So I'm just going to plug it in. So we get x equals -2 plus my a. Remember, this is your b over a. So my a is 2, and then my y is going to be 5 plus 1t, or just t. Alright? Now let's say we want to write another one. What we could do is let our b, we could use this instead of 1 over 2. So my b could be 3, and my a could be 6. So I could have another set of equations, and I should have probably done that. Alright, so another set, we're going to still use our negative 2, but my my A is 6, so this would be plus 6t, and my y, I'm still going to use this 5. My y, or my b, goes with the y, and that's going to be plus 3t. And you can do an infinite number of these, because you could let b of a equal 1/2, equals 2/4, equals 3/6, which is, we did these two. And then what would be next? 4/8. And you can go on and on. So if I did that one, it would be x equals negative 2 plus 4t. Remember, the x goes in, is the horizontal movement. And y equals 5 plus 2t. So you can keep going on and on and on. Okay, the next video I'm going to do is graphing another parametric equation by using substitution. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.